Did I make a big impact to the Mother Earth? Ang bigat, besh! Oh my God, ito malaki. Malaking malaki. Hi guys! Kumusta? Maria here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, we are going to do some clean up in the bridge that I showed you last time. If you have seen the video of Bailey playing in the rain. So I showed a little glimpse of that little wooden bridge. So after the rain, it was clogged up. So we need to clear it up because the lake cannot have a good flow if that area there is clogged, because that's where the source of water from the lake came from. So me and Bailey will do the cleanup today because it's a good weather, because it's so hot. So but first, look at my sunflowers. So here's my sunflowers guys, that only few survive because there's some because there's some bugs that was eating it when they were still young. And I love just watching the bees having fun with the sunflower. And I have some over there. And yeah, they really did not do well after the rain. It's like whole week of raining. So that's it. And that's the rose. And there's more sunflower here. Because I put sunflower here. I surround this area here with sunflowers, and only few survive. So but thankfully some survives. Look at the bee, it's also yellow. The color of the bee is also yellow. It's kind of like it blends with the color of the flower. Yeah, so I'm happy with that few sunflowers somehow. Oops. Yeah, so Bailey! Oh my God, I have to call him again. Bailey! Come on! Let's go to the bridge, boy! Bailey! Never listen. So I'm ready. I have here hand saw because I need this in the... Come on! You just poke your head. Bailey! Come on, let's go to the bridge. Come on! Oh yeah, good boy. You wanna help mommy clean up the bridge? You wanna help mommy clean up the bridge? Oh yeah. Come on, let's go. Okay, so that's our cabin right there. And then this is the way going to that little wooden bridge. Actually, that wooden bridge is not in our property anymore, but since we live here and then we enjoy the view of the lake, we also have to clear up the water where the source of the lake came from. So this is the bridge guys. If you remember during my video when Bailey was playing in the rain and this bridge here was overflown with water, and it was so muddy. And when we came back the next day, we saw a big wood on top of the bridge, and then there's a lot of woods under the bridge. So this is just a little creek from that's a road over there, and that water came from the mountain, and that's the one that feeds the lake in front of our house. So yeah, so actually me and Bailey already cleared this area here, because before this is also clogged with a lot of woods just like that. So we clear it up and we put it here. So this is all the woods that we clear up from last time. That's a lot of woods guys. Me and Bailey just pile it up there. So it was a hard work for me and Bailey. And if you want some flowers, I got some flowers here. Some wildflowers. Yeah, so Let's start now, guys, because Bailey is excited. So we are done dividing this tree here that fell down in the wooden bridge. I was just gonna cut it in two, but I realized it's long over there, and if I will not divide it, it's gonna be very hard because it's heavy and it's long. It's awkward to carry. So yeah, we're done dividing that. So it's time for that tree to move over there in our pile over there. Bailey, excuse me. Oh my God! Ang bigat, besh! Yay! Finally, guys, we're done clearing up the top of this little wooden bridge. Time to clear up some of those clogs underneath. So it's time to tuwad-tuwad. Magtuwad-tuwad na, guys. Ayan o. So i-clear natin yan. At we need to tuwad-tuwad. Diba? Daming clog. So let's tuwad. Abutin natin to. Oh, we need to reach. Oh my God. Lamig ng tubig, guys. Ang bigat niya. It's heavy. Oh, oh gosh. tiny stuff, but they'll be fine, and we cannot force everything, right? If you cannot reach it, don't force it. So yeah, so far we don't have big stuff underneath, and these are all the stuff we got. I mean, we got more earlier, those big stuff in the top, and then these are all from the underneath. So one wood is really hard to get, so I end up using the handsaw. It's kind of hard. I just realized it's kind of hard to use handsaw underwater, but it works. So you're muddy. Come on, let's go. So ayan guys, mukhang tao pa ba tayo? Ang dumi na natin. So we are very muddy. And yeah, we're very muddy, we're very dirty. That's why I'm wearing this big shirt of my husband, because it's so easy to move. And old leggings, easy to move. Bailey, what can you say? Bailey, stand. Come on, stand. Stand. Oh, you don't want to stand? Are you tired? You want to go swimming? So guys, that's our clean up. Was it worth it? Yes, absolutely. Did I enjoy it? Yes, I did. Me and Bailey. Yeah, you enjoy it, right? Yeah, we enjoyed it. Was it tiring? Kinda, because it's heavy. The hard part is, sorry, it's loud. The road is right here. The hard part is reaching out for the twigs, for this woods under the bridge, and it hurts my knee and it hurts my back, but it was worth it. Look at my nails. Yan po yung kuko natin dito sa Amerika. Ayan. Did I make a big impact to the Mother Earth, to the nature? Maybe not much, but it made me happy that somehow I did it. It was easy, guys. Yeah, but tayo sa, lalo na pag sa atin kasi dati, 'di ba, yung Ilog Pasig sobrang dumi kasi tinatapunan natin ng basura. So ayun, to all of you guys, don't throw your garbage anywhere. Throw it in a proper place, dispose it in a proper place. Be responsible of your own trash, because it will come back and haunt you someday, like especially when there's a flood like that. Yeah, these are all nature, cause of nature. I'm just saying, just a piece of advice, that if you have trash, throw it in the trash can. Don't wait for other people to do it for yourself. Like you say, oh, there's a janitor, oh, there's a clean up people who's in charge doing this. No, don't wait for them to clean up after you. Do it on your own. And yun, nagsermon pa ako. Ayun, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope somehow I inspire you to do some cleanup also. I heard a beep. Yeah, that's it guys. Once again, my name is Maria. Thank you so much for watching, and this is my puppy Bailey. My puppy Bailey. And see you again in our next one. Please leave your comment down below if what can you say about our cleanup, or if you have area in your place that you are planning to do some cleaning. You've been planning to do it, but you keep on like setting it aside. Maybe it's time now to do it. I'm very inspired to do it now. I don't know, I'm really in the mood to do it, because if I want to do something, it needs to be like I'm in the mood. Yeah, so once again guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing for the sake of our mud. Yeah, bye guys, see you again in our next one. Take care, stay safe, and God bless us all. Bye.